This is a video by Richpin. This is a little add-on to the how to install the sequential lights in the side mirrors. What do they call that? They call it an epilogue? I'm not sure. Now, we've got the left one all out, and we got the same problem we had with the other side. These three screws in here, they want to bust. They're rusted in. We live in the salt belt. So, I figured out what to do. I looked at the hair dryer while I was taking off the lens and said, hey, that might work. Watch this. I've already loosened this one. Now I'll see if we can loosen this one right next to it. Wait a minute. Hold on to your children. I think something's happening. Please don't shear off. Come on, baby. You can do it. Come on. Come on. I mean, you gotta figure, this thing's been in there, what, 12 years or so? Alright! Look at that. Whew! We gotched it! Wow. Look at that. How long did that take us? Let's see, we started at about a half an hour. Half an hour on one screw. But we got it. And you know what worked the best? Is taking the heat and going right down on top of the bolt. You could see that the heat hit the steel and went down. So that worked best. Okay. So we got that one, that one. Now we'll work on that one. Now on this left mirror, we had to cut it a little bit differently. See what we did here? We cut this out. And this part right here, we dropped it down below this surface to account for the thickness of our light here. So we'll install the light like this. And you can see I left a little bit of the mirror right here. So what we'll do is we'll put our JB Weld here, and then we'll run it along this piece that it sets onto. And then of course we'll do the same thing with the mirror that we did on the other one. Alright, we have our light in the mirror. Went pretty smoothly. We put our JB Weld here, 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 and then we flipped it over and then put it down the sides over here. Now we got it mounted in place, and we're going to do the same procedure as the other one. We will put our silicone here, here, and put that extreme mounting tape right there, there, and I think we will put a little one right here, right on this piece of material that we left intact. That will touch the bottom of the mirror. Ran into a little problem on the left side. These bolts right here that hold on the outer door panel, they will not budge. But we got around it. Take a look at what I did. Now first off, you want to make sure you see that little clip right there with that little white piece. Pinch that little thing below it. Lift that up because you need to pull the wires out. Now the only thing we had to do on this left side is to make a little cutout in the outer door panel right there to get this conduit out. You'll never see this cut from the outside. And when you put this rubber conduit tube back in, put a little silicone spray on that and it will slide right in place. Here's our wire. She's all tied in. Here is the left one on this yellow wire that goes back to the rear directional. And here is the green wire to our right rear directional. These tie in to our side mirror lights. And then right over here is a nice little ground bolt that we tied in to our black wires to the ground for the lights. That's a wrap. See you guys. Thanks for watching.